So we learned how to hold the knife with the V on the top, forefinger, and the bolster portion right here. Fingers are underneath, right? The next thing we're going to do, whatever we cut up, we're gonna use a rocking motion. The food is fed into the knife, not the other way around, right? We want to know where the knife is at all times. So as a carrot, you can see I'm using my claw. Remember, holding hand, helping hand, claw, cut. So I'm going to use a rocking motion to cut. Sometimes we go more straight up and down, but it's still a rocking motion, right? If something's small like this carrot, the rocking motion isn't as large. If it was something larger, like a zucchini or something, then the rocking motion might be a little bit bigger. Try to keep the knife in contact with the board. There's times that we're going to chop. We're not going to worry about that right now. We're just doing some basic cutting. Now, if you do need to chop, let's say we want to cut these carrots up a little bit more into odd-shaped pieces. You can turn your knife sideways. Put your other hand here, right? You're going to hold it this way. And then we're still going to use the knife on the board as a reference point, and we're going to just push down. Right? We're keeping our fingers away from the knife. There's always a reference point of the knife on the board. Right? You get the idea. Holding hand, helping hand, knife on the board. Go slow.